Show you how to play the Adagio, the theme from the Adagio movement from Concierto de Aranjuez, the second movement by Joaquin Rodrigo. Now the original orchestral version is in the key of B minor. This is in the key of A minor, which works better for guitars, and it works really nicely for piano. So it's the Concierto in A minor, the Adagio movement, and this is the a shortened theme version. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. We're in A minor, so you start with an A minor chord. A, E in the left hand, A, C, and E in the right hand, and roll the chord. Then you take the right hand up a notch to a different inversion and play it in C, E, A. Do the same thing. And then we do it 2 more times, with a little bit of space between each time. Then bring the left hand up to the C, E, A as the chord and start the melody. E, D, E. Then hit this rolled chord again, twice. Then the melody is E, F, G. And when you hit this G, you're going to hit a G chord in the bass, but you're going to play B, D, G. I'm going to voice it with B, D, G. And then walk right up to the C, E, A, and hit the E, D, E right there again. So that'll sound like. And then you hit the rolled chord again, twice. And then have as a pickup, E, F, G, A. And when you hit that A, you're going to hit this C, E, A chord there again, the A minor. B, and then go right to a D minor chord, D, F, A. Now the right hand is going to be G, F, F, E, E, D, C, D. Triplet on that E, D. G, F, F, E, triplet, E, D, C, D. D, E, C, B, C, D, B, A, B, A, B. So you're going to play the D chord through all of that, and you're adding some non-harmonic. You're adding the 7th, the 6th. So you're adding that as that melody is walking around, which will keep that D minor chord going. See, there you've got a suspended 4th right there. There's the triplet. Then go all the way down here to E, B. We're going to play an E chord right there. B, A, B. So you're just going to play the open 5th, E, B, and then the right hand, B, A, B. And then we'll slide up to an E, C, and back to the E, B. So we'll slide up to an A minor chord, roll it, E, A, C in the right hand, and then hit a rich E chord. So the E chord and the A minor chord are basic chords of the guitar, so they really ring because it's open. It's an open sound, that E chord. And then when you play this B, C, D, and you play this E again, and what that gives you is that gives you the 7th of the E chord right there. Then we go to the A and E, suspend that B, and then resolve it to the A minor chord. And then we're going to take and twist it here with a E minor, rolled, B, E, G, B, with the B on the bass, and then walk it up to the A minor. So we're going to be in an A minor chord, roll into an E minor chord, and an A minor chord a little bit higher. That'll bring us to set that A off right here. Then we go into a variation. We're going to walk that bass. We're going to go a single note bass. Then we're going to walk up to a B, up to a C, back to the A, and then up to a D. Eventually we get to an E, and or an F, and then an E. So now all you got to do is play that right hand with the bass in there. Now here we're going to have E, D, E, then triplets F, D, E, F, E, D, E, and then real fast F, E, D, E. You can even play it really fast if you want. Hit the A by itself, and when you hit this G, then go E, F, G, and then hit an G, F. So you're going to walk it right up G, da da da, C, and then do this again. But this time you're going to have the C in the bass. So back down to the A, triplet E, F, G, A, B, and then go to a D right here and crush that grace note A, G, triplet on the E, D, C, D, then up to an F, and here you're going to have D, E, C, B, C, D, B, A, triplet right there, D, B, A, B, A, B. So we've got an F in the bass. Now we're going to roll an F chord. F chord is F, C, F, A, C, and down to an E chord. And then go right out of that with B, C, D. Now go all the way up from this E to this E. B, C, D, C, B, A, B, A. Now this A is a pickup A to a rolled chord, and then we walk that C down to a B, and then right back to the A minor chord. So we'll end with it. Now we're going to go to that second strain where we start off with an F chord, F major sound. So you come all the way up to an F, C in the left hand and an A, G, A in the right hand. Then roll the F chord twice. Then A, B, C. Now here you're going to have a C in the right hand, a D in the left hand, a little bit of dissonance, and then D, C, B, G, and you're going to go to a B in the left hand, G, F, G, then roll a G chord. B, then we go to a D minor sound, and we're going to have an F and a D in the left hand, A, G, F, G, and then roll a D minor chord right there, D, F, A. So we'll go from F and D to a rolled chord. Then pretty quickly G, F, E, F. We're going to stay with that D minor chord, and you can either roll it or you can play it straight. It works either way. Now triplet. So triplet D, E, F, and then quickly four E, D, C, four notes. E, D, C, D, E on a C chord in the bass. Then G sharp and E. So that fills out, or G sharp and B. You've got your E up here from the C chord, and when we change this, we change to an E tonality and A. So then we got that D and F, B, C, D. Now we've got an E7 without the B in there. We don't have that B. We're coming into melody. So we've got an E, G sharp. The D is up there in the right hand. C, B, B, A. I'm going to end it there for this first video. I'd like to add some variations to it, but this first video I'm going to end it right there. That gives you the theme for the Adagio, the movement 2 from the Concierto by Joaquin Rodrigo. So I hope you enjoy playing it. It's a beautiful piece of music.